Before starting the chapter integration, we need to memorize some formula, and those formulae have been written on the board. You need to use this formula for your add math. The first thing you need to do is that you must memorize this formulae. You write each formula 2 times or 3 times and memorize each of them. Now let's see some examples on integration. The first formula we have learned: integration of x to the power n equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. If I ask you what is the value of integration of x dx, this value is x to the power, here x means x to the power 1. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. That means x square by 2 plus c. Therefore, integration of x dx equal to x square by 2 plus c. Integration of x square dx equal to x to the power 2 plus 1, that means 3 divided by 3 plus c. Integration of x cube dx equal to x to the power 3 plus 1, that means 4 divided by 4 plus c. Integration of x to the power 4 dx equal to x to the power 4 plus 1, that means 5 divided by 5 plus c. Integration of x to the power 100 dx, that means x to the power 100 plus 1, 101 divided by 101 plus c. Integration of 1 by x square dx, that means integration of x to the power minus 2 dx equal to x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c equals to x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c minus 1 by x plus c. If you are asked that integration of 1 by x cube dx equal to integration of x to the power minus 3 dx, x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, x to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c equal to minus 1 divided by 2. This x to the power minus 2 comes to the denominator, x square plus c, minus 1 by 2x square plus c. If you are asked that 1 divided by x to the power 4 dx equal to integration of x to the power minus 4 dx equal to x to the power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 plus c equals to x to the power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. That means minus 1 by 3x cube plus c. Integration of 1 divided by x to the power 100 dx equal to integration of x to the power minus 100 dx equal to x to the power minus 100 plus 1 divided by minus 100 plus 1 plus c equal to x to the power minus 99 divided by minus 99 plus c equal to minus 1 divided by 99 x to the power 99 plus c. I think now you have realized the implement of this formula. Now the second formula, integration of ax plus b whole to the power n multiplied by dx equal to ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into 1 by a plus c. Now we will see some examples from this formula. For example, 5x plus 6 to the power 7 dx. What can we write? At first we will write the total function here, 5x plus 6. We will consider this thing to be x. X to the power 7, if we integrate it, x to the power 8 by 8 multiplied by, we will write the coefficient of x in the denominator. Here the coefficient of x is 5, so we will write it here, plus c equal to 1 by 40 5x plus 6 to the power 8 plus c. Integration of 7x plus 29 to the power 5 dx equal to, here we will consider this thing as x to the power 5. So after integration, x to the power 6 by 6, and the coefficient of x 7, it will sit in the denominator, plus c equal to 1 by 42 7x plus 29 to the power 6 plus c. Integration of 1 divided by 21x plus 1 whole cube dx equal to integration of 21x plus 1 to the power minus 3 dx equal to x to the power minus 3. That means x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, and the whole function will sit here 21x plus 1, and the coefficient of x will sit multiplied by 21 equal to 21x plus 1 to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 multiplied by 21 minus 1 divided by 42 into 21x plus 1 whole square. Now you got the applications of this formula.